Okay, I'm going to show you a super quick way that you can melt chocolate in less than a minute. So I've got 2 glass bowls. I filled the outer one with water, popped that in the microwave for a minute, and then put a completely dry bowl inside of that one. And the dry is absolutely essential. Any amount of water in there is going to make your chocolate seize up. So I went ahead and put in some chocolate chips in here. If your chocolate is really, really large, go ahead and chop it down so that it's smaller in size. And just let that sit. And so what's happening is that the water that we've heated up in the microwave is now melting the chocolate chips for us. Now in this case, I'm doing white chocolate chips, which melts the fastest out of all of them. But you can see it's already starting to melt along the edges. So I'm going to just take a spoon, again, completely dry spoon. The smallest bit of water can make your chocolate seize on you. And then you have to start from scratch and your chocolate was wasted. And wasted chocolate is a tragedy, right? All right, so you can see I'm just holding on to the edge of this bowl here so that it doesn't move around, because again, if I get any water from the outside of the second bowl into the smaller inner bowl, I'm done. So that's what I'm doing this for, is just to make sure that that I don't wobble this or wiggle this too much, that chocolate ends up in. But that's it. I'm just going to keep stirring it for about a minute, and you can see it's really getting melty already. And then when I'm done with this, I'm just going to put it into a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to use it as decoration on some cookies. So that is how you can quickly melt chocolate. It's like the cheater's way of doing it, right? All right, well, happy baking, and I will see you later.